This is the VOA Special English Health Report. The human digestive system is full of bacteria. Most good bacteria, the organism have break down food, so the body can use the nutrients. Scientists are exploring the link between what kinds of bacteria live in our gut and what kinds of food we eat. Gary Gu from University of Pennsylvania and other scientists did two studies. These studies look for connection between the food that people eat and the kinds of microbes living in their intestines. Mr. Wu said, we found essentially that there are two major categories in which individuals could be classified by the bacteria in their gut. One associated with sorts of Western-type diets, and another one associated with a more agrarian or food-vegetable type of diet. In the second study, 10 volunteers took part in a so-called controlled feeding experiment. They had to change their normal diets, yet their digestive bacteria remains much the same. This suggests that the mix of bacteria is based on long-term dietary patterns, not what people eat in recent days. Gary Wood thinks testing people make up essential bacteria may be a better way to measure their disease risk than asking about their diet. He says essential bacteria may even play a part in the development of disease. If so, we could lead scientists to new ways to help prevent disease by changing the types of bacteria in a person's gut. That's a little more speculative, he said, but that's something that is certainly very much of interest in the field. The two studies are in the journal Science. The research may add to understand how diet affects health. Another recent study involving diet warned that obesity increasing worldwide, but especially in the United States and Britain. The findings appeared in the Lancet Medical Journal. Worldwide, experts say 1.5 billion adults are overweight, another half billion are obese. At current age, about half of all American adults could be obese. By 2030, in Britain, obesity rate could reach 48% for men and 43% for women. Experts say the rise of obesity is likely to lead to an increase in cases of diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and other conditions. Obesity is also the rise among children. For VOA Special English, I'm Alex Vinario.